Hello everyone, I am Hasi and welcome back to my channel Hasi.Thanks. Today we are at Excalibur Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas and we are staying in a resort tower in double queen room. We have stayed here for 5 days, and if you are planning a stay at the Excalibur or just curious about what their rooms look like, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's get started. In Excalibur Resort Tower, we are on the second floor, and as you can see, we are entering the 2243 room number. As we enter, this is the first view of the room. So to our right side, this is the washroom. I will show you the washroom in the end of this video. Before that, let's have a look at the room. So this is the AC and heater controller, and besides that there is a closet, and yeah, it's a good size. You can get few hangers, and it comes with a iron board and iron. On the left side of the wall we have a painting. And once we enter into the room, so this is the view, and these are the 2 queen beds. The beds are comfortable with plush pillows and clean liners, and there is a painting on the right side of the beds, and there is a desk with a table lamp in the middle of the beds. And this side we have a TV and one standing lamp and with a dresser, and in this dresser there is a safe where you can keep your valuable items in that locker. And here we have one desk and a chair and a mirror and one standing lamp. And we have got AC here and one more chair with puff, and here is another painting. Now I am gonna show you the outside view from the window, but the view was not that much good because we are on the second floor and we just got this view. Slightly we can see the pool view. Yeah, this is not that much great. Okay, now let's go back to the main door. So to this main door a big mirror got attached, which is nice. Now let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is big, and this is the standing shower, which is good. And here they have provided the hand wash, body wash and shampoo, and if any of the amenities are missing while departure, they will charge $25 per bottle. That's what mentioned here. And it also comes with a hair dryer and a big mirror, which is nice. The rooms are big and neat and clean, so overall no complaints. Everything was good and amazing. After a long tiring day, you can come and take rest here. The beds are really good, and there is a free Wi-Fi, and the rooms are non-smoking rooms. As you know, we have stayed only one level up of the casino, but we didn't felt like the smoke is coming inside the rooms. So the best part about this Excalibur is the price, and it is cheaper when compared to other hotels and casinos and resorts in the Las Vegas. And it is bit old, like it is pretty old and somewhat outdated, but I can say this is a nice stay which is comfortable and budget friendly. The another best part about this Excalibur is it is on the strip, and you can directly walk from Excalibur to New York, and you can walk on the strip from here. And this Excalibur also has a tram station from which you can directly go to a Mandalay Bay or Luxor on the tram for free. And another best thing about this Excalibur is it is pet friendly, and the pet charges, like pet fee, is less when compared to other resorts. I think Excalibur is a best place to stay if you are looking for a budget friendly hotel. So that's it guys. So this is the Excalibur's Resort Tower double queen bed review. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it will reach to more people who are looking for this information, and Subscribe for more travel and adventurous videos. Until then, bye bye.